Tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want. You really, really want. Who the hell are you?
Don't be frightened, son. You're just looking at a man. The name's Boone Remington McAllister.
Son of a bitch. That's a cool name. Gosh, dang it. Whew. That just cuts right through you.
And I was sent here to teach you how to be cool, boy.
You definitely qualify for that.
I'm one of the versions of yourself. This is what you could have been. Hold on 1 second, son. I can't be here too long. All right.
Gosh, dang, you even got a pocket watch?
Yeah, I'm pretty cool. Say, I once got a woman pregnant by staring at her too long.
It's just like there's cool and then there's freaking cool. Like this is, yeah.
I'm so cool, one time I killed a man for cooking my steak too long.
That's another level cool right there.
Come here, son. Just close your eyes. I'm going to teach you how to be cool.
Okay. What is up, YouTube? So, I'm out here at a local park. It's been a lot of freaking rain, a lot of flooding. So I figured I'd come out here and check out this old rushing water. Don't really have, since the weather never cooperates, I don't really have a lot of content and a lot of cool stuff to do right now. So figured I'd wing it. Come over here and try to get some, hopefully y'all can hear me because this water is rushing really, really bad. But try to get some content, do something different. But you can come check out this waterfall from all the flooding last night. You can see that. This is a really cool place though. I've been going here ever since I was a kid. Tiny little kid. I used to slide down these rocks all the way off that waterfall and everything right there. And I come all the way down and it comes feel like a little pool right here, which is all flooded like crazy right now. But yeah, busted my head open many a times here. But we're gonna walk around, see what we can check out, see what else cool stuff we can find. I'll get back with y'all just a little bit. Hopefully you can hear me, but I thought this was really cool. Watch this water like surge here in a second. It'll start, there it goes. Like get small, then it'll just dump a crap ton again. It's so insane. Hopefully y'all can hear me. It's really, really loud. I got my mic like right on my mouth. Yeah, see I got small? Watch, it'll surge and dump again. Isn't that crazy? All right, I'm gonna try to walk across, and I really hope I don't slip and bust my ass. All right, I made it. Hopefully y'all can hear me though. Like I'm right by the falls. Isn't that crazy? Man, I really want to go down that. That is freaking getting with it. So much fun here. This park's called Flat Rock, by the way. If I didn't mention that earlier. I'm gonna try to cross back over again. A little waterfall. Without slipping and eating it. Alright, I did it. Now I just got soaking wet though. I gotta try to get up this cliff right here. Which is bigger than it looks. Then maybe y'all can hear me a little better. Hold on. My shoes are wet, so this is probably gonna be bad. Alright, I made it. Now y'all can see the top half of up here. This is a really awesome place. Just like a big giant granite deposit. Alright, I'm gonna fly my drone around. I'll catch back up with y'all shortly. I tell you, beavers are so freaking creative. Look at that. They just automatically build homemade spears on both sides. These jokers are like corn Spartans. I'm gonna yeet it down this daggum thing right here. Oh man, that was very anticlimactic. She got stuck right there with the other sticks. That sucked. Alright, well, I'm gonna go explore some more stuff. Trying to make my way through this little spot right here. Show y'all this. If y'all can even hear me. I'm telling y'all, freaking water is just so powerful and incredible. It's insane. Crawl up here. See if I can turn it around a little bit. Isn't that freaking nuts? I was just watching some kids throw some sticks and logs there and watch it float down and go over the falls. My hair looked like from all the wind from the falls. They threw it over the falls and watched it go down. So satisfying. I don't know, it's something like just primordial man stuff. Just to watch a stick fly over a waterfall. Freaking hilarious. But it was awesome. We were all just cheering. Pretty cool little cave. just want to get in a float so bad. Just go down this freaking thing. Get somebody to send me off the top. Just shoot on down. Oh gosh. That'd be so much fun right now. Makes me want to go home and get my my tube and do it. Check out this freaking tree. Oh no, that is freaking sick. So you can see out the top of that? Oh, that is so cool. Oh, okay, I can see it up there at the top now. That's really cool. I can tell you, whoever did the stonework of this place, just absolutely incredible. And I'm assuming that they get all the rock from here. But I mean, the stonework in this whole park, it just blows my mind. Like, it's insane. I mean, I don't know exactly when this is built. I'm assuming like the, maybe the 50s, 60s, 70s, something. But I don't know, it's so freaking interesting. Just such a cool place. It's very underrated. That is probably a problem. That is so cool. Lots of rain. So crazy. Right there is like where I always catch fish. It's always just so daggum dry almost. No water ever coming down this fall. Now it's just rushing like crazy. Yeah, usually you can walk all the way out there, but it is super flooded right now. In fact, like one of my last videos is when we finally caught a fish. It was a tiny little brim. We finally caught a fish right there. We're down here at the Chattahoochee Riverwalk for the Great Flood of 2024. So we got some great floodage going on. There's a lot of people out here today. Check it out. We got some bystanders on the bridge. So what do y'all think of this?
You'd rather be Fortniting.
Oh, okay. Well, you heard it first, guys. Here in Columbus, Georgia, this is groundbreaking news. Oh.
Go watch Mr. KC.
Oh, he's shouting out his channel. All right. Well, there's all the floodage going on. There's another little cool feature about this park. So like all the way around me, all the way, goes all the way back around. This big U-shaped rock wall. You can kind of climb around. When it floods, it kind of turns into a waterfall. But it's really cool. You can get like some some small amateur rock climbing in. But yeah, as of right now, it's flooded. So it's like a little waterfall. But it's really cool. So if you're ever in this this place, or if you're ever in Columbus, Georgia, I should say, you can stop by and check this place out. It's really, really cool. Like I said, there's fishing, hiking, biking, rock climbing, disc golf, occasional mud rider or two with their trucks. May or may not be guilty of that. But yeah, man, there's so much to do in here. So much to do. And apparently, we have some campers that have dragged their little RV or camper in here. I don't know if you can do that or not. I'm not saying that if you can, but I have no idea what the laws are on that. But hey, by all means, do it if you want. If he's doing it, I guess do it. But I don't know, this place is really cool. A big giant fire pit right there. But yeah, if you're ever in Columbus, man, come check it out. Really cool spot. Well, hopefully I enjoyed that. I'm trying to show y'all something kind of local to us. Is this little, our little park, and there's so much to do in here. There's, this is actually where I did my impossible fishing challenge. It's tough fishing here, but yeah, didn't have a lot to do today. The weather's keeping me from doing a lot of things here lately, but I promise you to come, there's gonna be a crap ton of good videos. And as soon as it starts warming up a little bit and we get some good weather, I mean, I'm gonna have some bangers. So I got a lot of big things planned for this channel. And thank y'all for coming along with me. Like I said, hang in there. We'll eventually have some really good content, some really good stuff. But I appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this a little bit. And hey, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps me out. Keeps me doing things like this. The bigger this channel gets, the bigger things we can do. And I mean, that's what I plan on doing. So yeah, man, thank y'all for watching. And like I said, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Now get out of here.